Hello everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. I've got a little brush here. We are going to make old-fashioned custard pie. Billy requested it. I've never made it before, so I'm going to be reading off of this recipe and scrolling. So first, it says to separate 1 egg white from 1 egg yolk. I already did that. And it said to beat the egg white, so I beat it like it was bad.
Beat it unmercifully.
And it says to just do this to your pie crust. All around it and on the inside. So, hey, that's what we're doing.
And you pre-bake it for how long?
It says 7 to 8 minutes. So, I think I should probably poke a couple holes in it so it don't swell all up.
Probably wouldn't hurt it none.
Okay. And it's a 375-degree oven. We're going to slip it in there. Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, starting now.
Okay. So, in a large bowl, whisk together the 3 eggs. I don't have my other, but it says to use this one too. So we're going to pour that in there.
Bloop. So it's basically 4 eggs total.
Yeah. 1, 2.
That one being stubborn?
It didn't want to come out.
Ooh, that one came right out.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to beat those a little bit. And then the sugar is 3/4 cup of just white granulated sugar. And then the salt is a 1/4 teaspoon.
Or thereabouts, huh?
1/4 teaspoon salt. And it says a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh, that goes on the top. We'll wait till the end for that. So egg white sugar, salt, vanilla. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon or so. Cream is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream.
That in itself ought to make it good with the eggs, huh?
Make your custard, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then the milk is 1.5 cup of milk.
That's a lot.
It's going to be runny. And it says it'll be runny when you take it out, but it will thicken up as it sits. And my recipe just disappeared. No, it came back. Okay. So 1.5 cup of milk. Mix that all up. Well, now that is just some runny custard, I'll tell you. And that's it for it, guys. Besides the nutmeg, we're going to sprinkle on top.
Before it goes in the oven?
4 egg mixture in a pie crust and sprinkle with nutmeg and bake for 35 to 45 minutes. So simple.
Sounds like it.
You've seen it. That's it. Even he could do this.
Not as good as you.
Yeah.
That's your domain there.
Yeah.
Put me in the wood shop. I'm good to go.
Sometimes he needs to go out behind the woodshed.
Well, sometimes you need that.
All right. So So we'll pause while that pie crust is baking and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I had it in the oven about 7 minutes. I'm getting ready to pour our mixture in. And you're going to need a deep dish crust for this. Woo!
Yeah, boy.
Look at that. Just right to the top. And then we're going to just try and sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg around the top.
Now that looks like a custard pie. That's the way they're supposed to look.
Bam! Now we'll see what it tastes like. It says in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees. So we're going to do it. I think I might slip it onto a rack or a tray. That way it won't be so wobbly trying to get it in the oven.
I was going to say I would.
So we'll be right back when it's done. All right, guys, the custard pie was in the oven for 45 minutes. I put aluminum foil around the edges to keep this crust from burning. And whenever we put it in the oven, it kind of spilled over a little bit. I don't know if you can see where it spilled. And that's why that crust is missing, because it stuck to the aluminum foil. So here's what it looks like. It's still a little runny, but the edges are getting set up, and it says it'll be runny. So you just leave that cool, and we can't do a taste test on this one either. So we're just going to have to, maybe we'll do a separate taste test just for that tomorrow whenever Billy cuts into it, because he's a custard person. All right, guys, I will leave the ingredients in the description box, and like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Old-fashioned custard pie. Looks yummy.
Oh, it looks so good.
Smells good, too.
I can't wait to tear into that.
Peace out.